Hello, welcome again to our channel. I am Ready for Love with Canessa and
Jerome.
Evening Jerome. Anyhow, so today we have a new video. Part of the video I kind of like, the next part I don't really like, so Canessa will explain that to you later on. Yeah. Just want to remind you to remember to like this video. If you are new, subscribe to the channel and feel free to leave your comments down below. Alright? So tell them about this video.
So today we're going to do this video that I'm sure we all know. It's the Whisper Challenge. So Jerome is going to be wearing headphones, are going to be playing music, and I'm going to whisper something and he has to guess what I'm saying and vice versa. The only thing is we'll add a little something. So if him or myself does not guess correctly on two tries, then, or we guess it wrong, then you have to take a bean. Now, there's good beans and bad beans in here, so I just Russian roulette. I go guess where I go guess.
But the beans are very
Yeah, they're not tasty.
awful.
Like the bad ones are really bad and the good ones are fairly good.
So pretty much everything in your body.
No. Anyways, guys, stay tuned.
What? No, nobody. You're not saying nothing.
I did.
Come. One more time.
A two chances to get enough.
I will start over. You have to say 2 times.
You make two. You will make two guesses.
So one time you will say 3 times more.
Yes.
Alright. I already know. One more time.
And last one, you know.
Apple and fruit juice. Them here what you say?
One more guess, yeah, one more guess.
Them here what you say?
Yeah.
Apple. Oh my God.
No, just one more guess. Come. Alright, let me give you one more.
Happy and
Happy I found you.
Then you hear it?
Yeah.
Only here?
Them, and it no matter if them here or you feel.
No, man, I'm here what you say.
Come.
Oh, Jesus. Well, I'm, if you don't come out of it, if you're not hearing.
Pick one.
You cannot buy it and that's it?
Yeah, let me see which one. Alright, one.
How about this?
That's it now?
Tell the people it might be not be.
Okay, so this one is coconut or spoiled milk.
Or?
That's it.
No, me done.
That's it now. You chew it 3 times.
No.
Alright, chew it 2 times. You're not chewing. 1. Shake it right in your mouth. 2. 1 more. 3. Now what? That is it. You get something good. See, never that bad.
Oh, thank you, Jesus. You haven't tasted bad night, that's why I'm You think no do? 1 minute.
It smells bad. It smells awful.
Where's the water? No, I can't. I'm done the game.
No, it's not that bad.
It's in Molly. That's crazy. No, I'm not playing the game. No, guys, I serve it. At first, I think a coconut one is good on night. I remember smell bad. Yes, my one.
Stop playing for me now,
You forget your idea.
I pray you get a bad deal. I pray you get a bad deal. I pray you get a bad deal.
I pray tonight I bite me.
One more chance.
Say it again.
I pray you get a bad deal.
Pray tonight, bad man.
One more.
I pray you get a bad deal.
I pray tonight No!
Take it over here.
What you say?
So I said, I pray you get a bad deal.
You're a bad man.
And I, oh, but you went close. This thing almost stink, man. Oh, you know what I mean in them?
It no matter. But you tell me which one.
No, pick one. Hold on, that one is juicy pear or booger, as in booger. this is ridiculous. So this one should taste either like juicy pear or like what Jamaican call booger. This don't make no sense. This is liquid.
Ready?
Yeah. No, you're not trying to. Yeah.
Here. I want
So
to.
why am I praying to answer?
I want to.
No, no good.
You're not a prayer, bad prayer. That is that teacher.
You know, put a green up, come on the Google. Look at you. Father, don't let
That
me do
never
anything
too
wrong.
bad.
You do it down on here? Okay.
Focus.
Babe, they're not here.
Press down your ears.
One more time. The man the yard one chop out.
Me nah feel it.
Come.
Yeah, see.
No, I said in here, you make me watch. You make me watch.
You better move your mouth so me can get it.
Come. I'm not buying any gift for your birthday.
What?
I'm not buying any gift for your birthday.
Turn around your mouth.
I am not buying any gift for your birthday. That's 3 times.
One more time.
I am not buying any gift for your birthday.
I'm planning for your birthday.
Wow! I am not buying any
No,
gift
me
for
forget
your
more
birthday. No, I
guests.
give you 3.
Me
4.
forget 2 times.
Say yo, Mr.
What?
You hear what Mr. show the thing. Speak.
Eh?
Go ahead. You said the 4 times, what Mr.
You tell me 4 times.
No, say what I said before.
Me not remember.
That's okay.
I am planning for your birthday.
One more time.
I'm not planning for your birthday.
You're cool. Take this off. I'm gonna eat something that's really bad. I am not buying any gift for your birthday.
Right.
So, guys, pray with me, okay? It's our time. Come on.
You can't pick green again.
No, that's not fair.
Me not remember where it is.
Yes. In fact, close your eyes and pick one. That's the new
That
rule.
no fear.
Yes, that's the
no.
new rule. Yes, B. That's the new rule because we don't know what I mean. So close your eye. Yeah. Pick one. No, say I be. You know, say I'm here.
Alright, come.
Pick one. Just take one from
Where
out.
box then?
Sit up here. Take one out.
So my box I do it
Come,
up
take
this
one out. Yeah. B, no.
Alright. A brown?
Alright. Come on, come on.
And what this again?
So that one is the eater. That one is what is it? Toasted marshmallow or stink bug. Then people are disgusting. B piece the outside. Yeah? I feel like it's nice cause it takes a long time.
Can't get.
But it's alright though. Seems like it's okay.
I think a marshmallow.
And I don't even know what that tastes like, so I guess it's okay. No, you get something tastes bad. Like you get something that smells so bad.
Yeah, try teeth me a while ago, me still catch it.
You don't think so?
Alright. Ready?
Come on.
Alright, ready?
Come again? No, Canessa, that's how wickedness. I can't hear nothing. Come again.
Me couldn't hear
No, Mom, I
neither.
can't make out your mouth. The chicken. Say one more time.
It's a number 4, you know.
The chicken still bite.
Me said the chicken just passed.
What is my friends? Father, please. Your stomach is strong.
Strawberry banana
Or what?
so strawberry
No, B.
banana or dead fish.
No, me can't eat the one here. No,
You
Canessa,
don't know
no.
which one.
Strawberry banana dead fish. Canessa, you know some me not eat fish.
Try now, just try.
But be me not eat fish because of the
Just
smell.
try now. Step out your hand. That's not open your mouth. And then fish that.
A peach.
Strawberry banana.
I can't talk about this. God, you're good. Because of God, you're a good father. Come here. Dead fish, we don't want dead fish to eat because it's not going to turn me off. Come here. Why did you wake up and not make me? Why did you wake up and didn't make me?
With me.
Why did you wake up and didn't wake me? Why did you wake up and didn't wake me?
Why didn't you go to bed with me?
One more chance.
Why didn't you wake up with me?
Thank you very much. God, you're good. Take that back.
What you say?
Why didn't you wake up and didn't wake me?
Where milk something there?
Is there something like that?
Me smell it, man.
Close that smell bad. Close your eye. Why you get one?
No, your name close your
You close my
eye.
eye when I'm going to choose. I did. Wow, that is no... That are the dead fish.
No, this.
No.
Yes, this Avon yellow.
Or this one yellow.
No. This Avon yellow and orange. This Avon just
I'm
orange.
sorry. Go ahead. So it's either pear or bar. What's bar?
Peach or vomit. Peach or vomit.
So bar means vomit? So why don't you choose to put all of them disgusting
You see,
something like
oh,
this?
you see, oh, me play fair. Me not him never want try it a while ago because of dead fish and he not eat fish. Me don't eat vomit, but me still a do it.
That's good, babe. Come, try it, ready? Come. Come, Canessa.
But you want to again?
Yes, you got this. No, you don't choose something. I don't smell it. No, for real. I don't smell it as yet. You need.
That's your teeth.
Wash your mouth. Go wash your mouth, babe. No, you can't talk to me. Go wash your mouth. No, go wash your mouth. Jesus. Anybody make this something and you look out prison. Go wash your mouth.
Me nah wash it.
Hey, wash your mouth.
No.
Alright, come. One more time. One more time. One more time. The thunder roll. You do like the thunder roll. The thunder. Roar. So what is it? Just when this one? Are you going to give me? This is kind of like a revenge, you know? Well, laptop, you can't do this. This is how wickedness.
Yeah, I thinking so.
No, one that night. No,
Oh,
me know of it.
like it.
But them say you have to eat something down, is that true? Alright, we can stick on. What the black one now?
You know if you know our first picky black one, then you call it a
No, me not hit the black one today. I fish
picky
that.
black. If this one are the fish or you do fish one already.
Yeah, fish one.
Picky black
No, me
one.
close my eye and choose one.
Alright.
Alright, baby, now look.
Wait, me not done share.
Shall put the black one inside, we take it home. Cool. Just, guys, I know, you're too unfair. Stop moving the box. Alright, let me feel it.
I just a finger them to come down.
Alright, so let me see the box now.
You're not to see the back.
Alright, let me feel the box. Let me try
You're
it
not
out.
to feel it.
Alright, so where's something I'm gonna put my hand?
Wait, let me shake it.
Can't I just wow with the black one? Come.
Wait.
Am I ready now?
Yes.
So stop moving. Okay,
Me
this
now
one and
move
shoes.
it.
What is this? What's a grip?
Chocolate pudding or canned dog food.
Canned dog food? Oh, Jesus. What am I doing now?
Take out your hand and try it up, because I try it enough time. Try it again. No, try it again.
I'm done. Oh, I'm done. I'm finished. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.
What's wrong? Are you okay? You alright?
We're finished. No, I'm done. The litter is finished. We're finished, Cancer.
Oh, we are going to toothpaste. So we are eating the toothpaste. Mind them and shut me can.
Take out the milk.
You done? Eh? What? You see very picky black one? You're the alright.
I said dog food apple?
If you pick the one when me tell you to pick, you're the alright. You know that shit right? The mouth still funky.
Jesus. Nobody on earth can get me play this game again.
Come over here.
Are you what? It started with me, so it finished with you.
Yes,
This is the last one.
that me say.
This is the worst challenge I've ever done.
It's a challenge, it's not supposed to be fun and games.
You have to wash up more time to finish. It's not right. Ready? Let me see it here, Jim.
Then cover.
You hold it down with your hands.
No!
Alright, come
See me here? You're not moving your mouth.
Alright,
Pronounce
I'm
the
gonna pronounce it.
words.
Alright, let me start from
I have one more. I have church on Thursday.
one more chance.
I have discipleship class on Thursday.
That's what I'm bitch. Anyways, I said I have examination on Thursday. So God, you're
Which
doing good.
exam?
That's just to say. Can I have the foods? Please close your eyes, man. No,
And
that's
that is a true.
That's what I said. Close your eyes. Right, look at me again or something. Alright, take one. Yeah, no.
But yeah, move them.
That's what you need to do. Come.
Alright.
Ready, just take one. Don't look down.
Yeah, move it back.
I'm not. You just want to sway the black one. Everybody remember the black one. One black one is in the kitty, and that's the fish.
It's not fish.
Dead fish.
No, the black one is not fish.
Alright, just close the eyes. Ready? One. Close the eyes. Alright, up here. You know if you wear glass and I wear glass down here, so and I look down and I just try. Come.
Alright, come.
Ready? 1, 2. Right up here. Just take one. Just take one, dude. Have to end the game with a ball. Alright, take that one. No! No!
Me not move me Anna now.
Alright, take it down. I want that spoil milk. Let me see. It's fully white. So it's coconut and spoiled milk. Father, I play your words in my favor. Come. Ready? Ready, babe?
Tea.
Come, what's on there?
A coconut. A bear, and fair game day twice. You know the thief.
Come, eat more.
When you dig the chef, you dig two and call a name first.
No, me I dig one because we not going to wait. Alright, so guys, if you have some more beans there, if you need them, just comment down below.
Try
No,
one more.
I'm not doing
Try
that.
the pretty one.
Are you want to do?
Hurting.
I buy you a jug of tub of ice cream.
No, you already owe me a tub of ice cream.
Yeah, but I'm going to buy it, but I'll buy you another one if you eat another one.
No.
Well, I'm not doing this.
Me buy you one cup of ice cream.
No, I don't want ice cream. Doctor said ice cream not good for me. I don't want ice cream. These are the worst.
Try one next time.
No,
Try that one here.
no.
Just try it now.
Oh, rotten egg. At a certain level, this is wickedness.
Alright, just try one now.
Mm.
Please. Show me say I'm man.
People,
Show me say I'm man now.
I'm a little boy. No, but that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time, take care. Remember to subscribe, like the video, leave a comments down below. Anything good? Should I eat after one? Just say it nice. Alright, so we'll see you again next time.
Bye guys.
Alright, take care.